Hello, welcome back to my YouTube. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and leave comment down below. Okay, today is Sunday and my husband, my kids, and asked me to make them a homemade pancake. Okay, and I decided to share the recipe with you guys. Okay, well, I'm gonna have make my pancake, and I'm gonna make a homemade syrup. Okay, I have my blueberries, and I'm gonna put it in the pan, and I add some little bit sugar and to make that syrup. Okay, so I have my banana, I have 4 eggs, and I have milk, and I have my butter, and I have my pancake and waffle mix. Okay, so I'm gonna make my waffle, delicious waffle. Okay. Mix it with the banana. See? Now the banana and egg mixed together. Okay. I'm gonna add my flour. And I'm gonna mix them together slowly. I'm gonna add some milk. So now it's too watery. I'm gonna add some more flour. Add some butter on my pan. I'm gonna leave it back for like a little bit 5 minutes. So let me do the syrup for the pancake. Okay. So I'm gonna put my blueberry. That's blueberry. I'm gonna okay. And I'm gonna put my blueberry in it. And I'm gonna add some sugar on it. butter. Pancake and a pan. That's my pancake. In the meantime, I'm gonna show you my blueberry syrup. That's my blueberry syrup. Okay, that's my blueberry syrup. Blueberry syrup, see? Guys, my husband wants me to make some boiling eggs with the pancake, okay? I'm gonna boil the eggs, okay? This is the eggs that I usually buy, okay? The organic, and free range and organic eggs. That's the eggs that I always buy for my family to eat, okay? The organic eggs. So I'm boiling the eggs. This is the eggs that I'm boiling, okay? It was some boiling eggs with the pancake, okay? This is my blueberry sauce. It's almost ready, and this is my pancake, okay? See, it's very, see, very nice, golden. See, my pancake, okay? Sunday morning, I'm making boiling eggs with pancake, homemade pancake, and homemade blueberry syrup. Flip this side and the other side is getting ready. See? Very nice. See? You guys see my pancake? This is my baby pancake. Looks so crispy and golden. Very nice. See? Guys, this is how my pancake turn out, okay? Very nice, okay? You see my blueberry syrup and my pancakes look very nice, golden and crispy. Okay, my eggs and my banana. Very nice. Thanks for watching.